A new customer who specialized in the electrical components industry wants to replace their old technology with induction heating machines. The client manufactured copper capacitors and looking to increase the productivity rate and optimize the energy efficiency of the whole process. We received samples from three-phase capacitors and pins which we must solder to pads with help of induction heating. The customer sends us 3 assemblies of different sizes: the small and the big assemblies. The big assemblies are 2 types, with smaller pads and with bigger pads. The pads are mounted on a plastic base which can melt during heating, and the temperature shouldn't be too high. The main objective of this induction application is to solder all 3 pins at the same time in the same cycle. We must shorten the heating cycle to less than 20 seconds, and the customer expects high-quality results. Our application engineers made tests on all 3 types of samples. For the small assembly and the big one with smaller pads, we reached the desired soldering time, 16 and 18 seconds. The big assembly with bigger pads was slightly out of the time limit due to the non-uniform heating of the joints. All tests were made with 1 lab coil. We strongly recommended designing a custom induction heating coil for this application.